if you can play games with it. I don't know, bounce the ball off of it. Push Brianna on there. Grab Brianna's hand, Layla, and run with her. Come on. Don't run so fast, Brianna. You gotta.
Whoa! She's gonna go on the slide now. Get her going up the slide.
Be careful. There you go. Not much of a slide, huh?
Not in wet clothes, it isn't.
Hey, we can have that for a water slide. We can make that a water slide.
There you go.
What? No way.
We can make it a water slide.
You gotta keep it on. We're probably underneath the hose, huh?
No, point this that way.
You got it? All right.
And bring it over there.
There you go.
And then we can have a water slide.
That'd be refreshing. Come down the slide and get a face full of water. There you go. Yeah.
You're gonna run into the water. Okay.
Slide. You going down the slide?
There.
No.
That's better.
All right.
Whoa!
It slides better now.
Now you can slide down it.
Slide?
And get a drink.
You going down the slide?
Be careful.
You can go down the slide and get a drink at the same time.
Okay.
You gotta be careful how much water we use, Jonathan.
Whoa! I don't have any washer going or anything, or a shower, so it'll be okay. Maybe next month or later on this month it might make a difference, but right now we've had quite a bit of rain. Water level isn't that low.
It's running.
Slide!
Whee! That's better to slide on.
That little boy wanted to come over.
His mom didn't want him to.
No.
And it's so
Sit down. There you go. Slide. Whee! Whee!
Going down the slide? Layla?
No.
Oh!
All right.
Okay, let her get up.
Alright.
All right. That's fine. That's fine.
That's okay, it lets her slide.
Yeah.
There's not a big enough drop there that she'll get hurt on.
She might.
How is she going to get hurt?
She might slide to Ohio. See, she did it different. To the side.
Put the brake on.
Okay, go down the water slide.
Yay, Layla! Did you go down the slide?
Is that
No.
faster now?
Brianna went down, Layla.
Hold on. Huh? It could go into a pool. Yeah. That'd be fun too. Just a little, they're nice and high enough. You don't.
Look at now she's going up the other way.
Underneath it.
You're gonna slip, Layla.
Cut.
Oh!
Oh, see?